Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using BHIM application and if you want to check your bank account balance in the application, so what are the steps for that I'm going to guide you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. To check bank account balance in BHIM application, you have to open the application first. So once you open the application, it will ask you for the password or the passcode. You have to enter the passcode and you have to start the application. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of interface you can see on your mobile screen. So to check your bank account balance, there are very simple steps. All you have to do is you have to select the bank option first, which is on the top side. So once you select bank, then you will be redirected to bank account page, and on this page you can see how many accounts you have linked in the application. So as you can see on the screen right now, I have already linked 2 of my bank account in BHIM application, and both of these accounts are visible over here. So if I want to check my account balance of Kotak Mahindra Bank, you can see there is an option of check balance. So what I'll do is I'll tap on check balance. So once I select check balance option, next page will appear, and you can see on this page I have to enter the 6-digit UPI pin, and then I can see my account balance. So I will enter the pin very quickly and I'll show you. So I have entered the pin successfully, and now you can see what is the account balance of Kotak Mahindra Bank. So at the start there was an option of check balance, but now the amount is showing on that place. So the same I can do with IndusInd Bank account. If I want to check the account balance of IndusInd Bank account, I will click on check balance. So I'll show that. Again, I'm going to enter the UPI pin and I'll complete the process. So now you can see on the place of check balance, the amount is directly shown over there. So these are the simple steps by which you can check your account balance in BHIM application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. It was a short video and a simple video. If you liked the video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.